Hello and welcome back to the Chipotle Turbo YouTube channel. Today I did some work with a wheel speed sensor on the undriven part, and this is what I came up with. It's Hamlin GT1 Hallsensor with the free like 12 or 5 volts signal and ground. And it measures here on the back. I didn't do any, it's just a bolt and then a big nut to just space it out. And it's set up on the PT4 input. Let's see. So you have the vehicle speed too. So when I spin, it should read some. Oh yeah, working. So why did I do this? Yeah, because it is spinning pretty wild on the streets, so I need some traction control, and that probably helps me racing also. So be back soon with a test of it, and hopefully it works really good. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time.